Today we are making caramel popcorn. In a hot pan, we will add some oil and half cup corn kernels. Let it cook for 1 minute and then cover it. Once the popping has stopped, uncover it and the popcorns are ready. For the caramel, now take a hot pan and add butter and let it spread. Now add half cup brown sugar or jaggery. Then add 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix it well. When it starts melting, then add baking soda and mix it again. Add popcorns in the caramel mixture and mix it nicely. Mix it nicely until all the caramel is coated on the popcorns. It should be like this. Once well coated, let them harden.